crazy. Not every day you see that. Woo. A little bit. What's up everyone, welcome back to Miami Miles. My name's Mickey. In today's video, as you saw in the thumbnail, we are getting together every GT4 RS we could get our hands on in South Florida. A couple weeks ago, Rags to Riches reaches out to me and says, yo, I need a GT4 RS in every color for a photo shoot. And obviously, I've got the GT Silver car, but they've got, I think, almost every spec available to us in South Florida going to this event. And look at that. That is my ticket to participate. The GT Silver 4RS, the car that never gets old. So, anyways, let's get right into it. Nothing better than a GT4 RS at 7:40 in the morning. Listen to this, I hit it one time. Unbelievable with those headers. I'm telling you guys, if you have a 4RS and you don't have an exhaust, you are missing out. No, I feel like the GT4 RS is owned by the most tasteful individuals on YouTube. Got Manny Koshbin, Mr. JWW, and me, Miguelito from Miami Miles. Yo, this car, in a couple decades, I think will go down as one of the best sounding Porsches ever made, and maybe the best experience. Like, it's not the fastest car in the world, but it sounds so good. It sounds so good. This is crazy. Not every day you see that. 3 of them. Onto the express lane. Look at that. One right there. Rearview mirror. So coming off the highway, there was a highway patrol officer on the express lane with his gun pointed forward. Thank God there was an Audi Q5 going like 50 over the speed limit, because I just tucked behind him and the guy didn't even pull anyone over. I think he's just standing there to deter people, but shit, I was like, oh, another ticket. We are the first ones here. Woo! There he is.
Outside the car.
Skittles.
We got 2 of those coming. That's the only 2 that's a duplicate.
Hey, buddy. There you go, man. Good to see you.
You guys don't know about the factory carbon roof, do you? You guys
never
didn't
seen it.
see that, right?
No.
You've never seen that, right?
Never seen it.
Look at
Let's
that.
check it out. It's a wrap or it's a carbon wrap?
Actually, it's not a wrap. Actually, it's PPF.
It looks even
It's
better.
It looks
PPF.
really
That's
good.
why it looks good.
Even
What?
better.
Shark blue for a non-PTS car. Everybody
It's
slept
stunning.
on that color.
It's stunning.
Everybody slept on that color for that car.
Still got 3 more cars coming. But look at that. Arctic Gray, White, GT Silver, Maizen Blue, Ruby Star. I don't know what color that is. Shark Blue.
That happened to me in my 2 hours.
Racing Yellow. Just wild. Another Ruby. Yeah, so this
So you have
exhaust.
the valve control exhaust, and then basically the straight, it's the headers, which have nothing in it, and the link pipes also no resonators, nothing.
Non-resonated.
Right.
But right here, you'll see some. Soul makes these canisters, these mufflers. You see them right there?
Yeah, they stick out to the sides.
So when you
right?
turn the valves off, it redirects through those. You get 0 drone. I like the volume and how it's like a very, very thick
We'll need to go
sound.
for that,
Yeah. We should rev them all too.
Oh no, that's fine. That's it. I mean, what the hell, right? I was just testing it out.
Wingless.
I've never seen one without
I know, it's unique.
Got the first green one. That's beautiful. So seeing them all together here, you get to pick your favorite color. And honestly, I think for me, I like Meissen and Shark Blue the best, probably. Positioning all the cars here for the photo. Look at this. Amongst all the 4 RSs. Woo! All right, so you guys saw the footage. We're gonna get in the car and do a last photo, then we're gonna do a little rev off, and then we're done. But what a day. I think my favorites are, I really like the white. Shark Blue, Meissen Blue. There's mine right there. I do love GT Silver, especially with that ceramic coating. It looks almost liquidy. But if I had a choice, I'm taking this thing all day. It is stunning. Steve kills it, throws Instagram right here. Incredible car. He says it's louder than mine though, with no headers and JCR exhaust. No way. We'll find out in a minute. Woo! JCR sounds really good too. But look at that. Last picture before we go. Getting out of here. Dude, that was nuts. Breakfast with, how many is that one? 9.
All different colors.
All right, I thought the video was over, but now I found myself in Mario's stock. I mean, it's still quick, but oh my goodness, in the mid-range, it's not even comparable. The power difference is tangible. Holy shit. There's my car. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Yeah. Big difference. Big difference. Car without that exhaust has less torque, less power. It doesn't accelerate as aggressively. That car lights up the traction control light through first, second, and part of third. And this is just planted. What a difference. What's up, buddy?
Dude, that is amazing. There's no drone.
Nothing.
It's incredible.
0 drone.
I got the valves closed. I'm driving it like slow, and there's no drone.
Nothing. It sounds the same as stock.
It's incredible.
Power? Did you notice the power? Because I got into your car and I'm like, where's the torque? There is none.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. That's what I'm saying. All right, man. I'll see you there. All right, guys. I think that's the end of the vlog. Look behind me. Crazy day. But I'm going to cut it short there. Hopefully you guys got to experience this a little bit with me today. There's my baby. But all these cars are absolutely stunning. GT4 RS. It's one of the great modern Porsches ever made. And damn is it good looking. Especially when you have this many of them side by side. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed that video, go down below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that stuff. And I look forward to seeing you next video. Take care. Peace. Bye.